Ooh. That's cool.
Milena, come here. I have a surprise for you.
Okay. Wow! Whoa, what is all this for?
Well, this is what we're gonna do fun today. There's still more surprises. But right now, try out these hats.
Cool! I'll take out this one.
Let's try glasses.
Sure.
Swap.
Shiny.
I'm trying out this one again. See that?
Try. Look at this. Beard.
Look!
Look at me.
I'll pick this one. And also I'll pick this one.
So cute, yeah.
Look at Mimo! You picked your favorite accessories and me too. We look awesome now. And look, now we have another surprise coming up. Can you try to guess it out of these things?
I think it's a gingerbread hat.
A hat?
A gingerbread one.
Well, let's see. Drum roll, please. Gingerbread house!
Wow, I've been waiting to make this.
We're going to be doing it with our elder sister, Yana. Dashing through the snow. And
Hi.
before we start doing the gingerbread houses, let's start with something simple. Let's do the cookies.
They are simple.
They are simple. I got a snowman.
Reindeer.
And I got a Christmas tree.
And now we can begin.
So what are we gonna do?
No.
So I'll keep them back and I just want them to be here.
Ew.
Now I'm going to decorate my snowman. I've done with the hearts. Now I'm gonna decorate with some of these.
Smells like henna.
I'll decorate with the white hearts. grab this and take some white hearts and decorate it.
How come it's not turning out for me? Oh, it's turning out now. Super good. Yay, I made my first heart. I'll make my second one.
I did already 3 hearts, some eyes, some nose, and I'm done with the scarf.
Who is eating?
Oh, Christmas tree!
How lovely are
Your branches!
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches. Not only green when summer's here, but in the coldest time of year. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches.
Look.
I'm doing it perfectly. I did it by myself. My first time ever. This yellow one, so small. I'll keep it on top of my Christmas tree. It looks perfect. Look, it looks so perfect. Now I can keep it on the stand. Cool. It stands though. Though it stands.
Okay.
Without falling or breaking.
These are our cookies, and I really want to eat mine.
Me too.
Let's try them.
I'm gonna try from the here.
They're really good.
They're good. I'm gonna eat more.
Well, right now, we're gonna do something even more fun and more bigger, which you already know. It's the gingerbread house. So let's bring our gingerbread house.
It's so good.
Okay, now we're gonna start with the gingerbread house.
I kind of want to use something now. Kind of want to use something now, you know. Okay, I choose. Oh, they're both using white. Okay, then I say I'll choose red. So good, Milena.
Thank you.
I wish I could do like that creation, but without the chimney which opens.
Can I have green?
Green? Sure. Yeah. Gingerbread roofs? Totally not hard. Gingerbread roofs.
Alina.
What?
So cool.
So cool.
Still dark. even though I'm almost done. Already 1, 2. Everything's falling.
Add more icing.
I'm trying, but it's not gonna work. But it's not working. I'm adding more icing. Oh my gosh! Like my mind is exploded. It doesn't look good at all. It's horrible. Okay, icing's done. My chimney broke and I'm eating it.
Small pieces.
I'm doing my gingerbread house.
Mimo.
I like it.
Now we are done with our gingerbread house.
Yes.
And look what we've got.
Yep.
No, you have to eat the.
Good. Bye.
Bye.